What if I told you YouTube might actually become part of your retirement plan? Now, before somebody jumps into the comments and goes, hey, now, that's not even possible, I'm not saying everybody needs to become Mr. Beast, but I am saying I think people over 50 are massively underestimating what's possible for earning potentials online right now. YouTube is not just about ad money, it's about building your entire ecosystem. And today I'm going to show you 20 different ways your YouTube channel can create income for you, especially for people who are over 50, who have life skills, experience, hobbies, careers, knowledge, and stories to share with the public. Because honestly, I think a lot of people are going around thinking to themselves, how the heck am I going to retire anyway? So hi, if you're new here, my name is Jolene, and this channel is all about building confidence, income streams, and online businesses for people when we're over 50. And today we're going to talk about something huge, and that is how YouTube can create multiple streams of income, which will help you in retirement. Not one stream of income, which we all know is the AdSense income, but multiple streams of income. The real magic isn't really about YouTube views. So let's get into it. YouTube is a traffic source, not just a video platform. It's a traffic platform. Every video is basically a digital employee working 24 hours a day for you. One video can sell products, grow an email list, bring in affiliate income, lead to guest speaking opportunities, or help you sell your coaching. It can also drive website traffic, build trust, and attract customers. This is why I always say create an opportunity and drive traffic to it. That's the business model. And honestly, people over 50 are in a great position for this because we already know things. We don't need to be trendy. We just need to be useful. I believe that so much. I actually included my quote in my book, From Zero to YouTuber, which is available on Amazon, which is going to teach you how to start, grow, and scale your own YouTube channel. So don't be taken by the fakers who are copying my book title on Amazon. My cover looks like this. Go ahead and check it out. I'll put the QR code right here for you. Let's talk about the 20 ways YouTube can actually make money. Not someday, realistically, especially if you build it intentionally. The first one is AdSense. YouTube pays for ads on your videos once you are monetized. And personally, I invest every single dollar I earn from AdSense into stocks because I didn't have that money before YouTube. So YouTube became my investing machine. The second way you can earn money from YouTube is affiliate marketing. This is huge. You recommend products you genuinely use, and if somebody purchases through your link, you earn a commission. This can become massive over time. And I'm sure you can see behind me, I actually have a craft business, which I feature on a separate YouTube channel. On that channel, I showcase my crafts and I showcase all the tools and equipment I use for the crafts. And then I share links for things like the sewing machines or the cutting machines or the fabric that I use. And if somebody purchases through one of my links, I earn money from that. So another way to earn income on YouTube is by selling your own products. So these can be physical products, digital products, printables, templates, crafts, or even books. The channel builds the trust first, and that matters. Number 4, you can create a course. People love step-by-step learning, especially from somebody relatable. And I don't know about you, but the older I get, the more I want somebody to just give me the step-by-step, click here, do this plan. And so courses can really quickly generate income for you. Number 5 would be coaching, one-on-one coaching, helping people solve their problem faster. Now, with my other business, I already offer coaching for craft businesses, and that's available on my website. So it's a little bit nerve-wracking, I guess you would say, to kind of get to that level of like, ooh, could I actually teach somebody what to do? But you'll know you're ready when people start asking you, and that's how I knew I was ready. People started asking me if I would do one-on-one coaching, and sure enough, it worked. Now, another service you could offer is consulting. So it's very similar to coaching, but it's more strategy-based, and businesses are going to pay for experience. So you could guest speak at schools, organizations, business groups, or conferences, and YouTube could become your portfolio for that. People will see how you teach and they can reach out to you directly through your YouTube channel. Pay creators to talk about products, and smaller creators can absolutely get in on this, especially if you are a niche creator. So on YouTube, generate monthly recurring income, and your audience supports you through your content directly. A model especially strong for educational creators. This could be PDFs, guides, checklists, planners, templates, even like things like Notion templates do really well. So once created, they can sell repeatedly. This is a fabulous asset that I've added to my businesses, I guess you could say, is from zero to YouTuber, because my book is not specific to crafting. I can cross market it on other platforms. Storefronts. You can build your own Amazon storefront and showcase products that you use on your YouTube channel. Number 14 is you can sell your own merchandise. So shirts, mugs, branded products, all of these can be done very easily with print on demand. I will put a link in the video description for Printify, which is a platform that I often use to design some of my own products like shower curtains. Number 15 is workshops. So these are live training sessions online. People love interactive learning, and it's a great way to get super fans, because if you teach something well enough, people are going to come back time and time and time again to keep learning from you. Number 16 is webinars. Teaching online can become a very serious business that generates real revenue that can take you into retirement. Number 17 is going to be email marketing. Your YouTube channel can easily grow an email list that becomes an extremely valuable asset. You can sell all of your merchandise, your courses, your live streams, your Patreon, whatever you would like to market. It's easy to do through an email list. Number 18 is going to be website traffic. YouTube can drive traffic to your blogs, to your Shopify stores, to your products, and that traffic can generate income for years. I highly recommend Shopify. Here's the QR code if you want to sign up. I'm an affiliate for Shopify, and I highly recommend Shopify because it links to every other platform. Number 19 is going to be licensing content. Some creators license clips, tutorials, or educational content, and you can charge a pretty penny for that. Number 20 is investing your income. This one matters to me personally more than anything else that I do on YouTube. I personally invest every penny of my AdSense money into stocks. This is not investment advice by any means. I am not qualified to give anybody investment advice. I'm just telling you my personal growth story. So I pick dividend stocks that are typically EFT stocks. I put every penny that I earn on AdSense into there, and I have it set up so the dividends are automatically reinvestment, because my goal is to basically earn my freedom for later, right? Like everybody right now is trading time for money, and later I want to trade money for time. So the more I can invest, the easier that will be in the long run. Now, why YouTube matters a lot for people over 50. I think a lot of people over 50 feel like they're stuck, like they've missed opportunities. But honestly, we are entering the best times for knowledge. And people want experience. They want wisdom. They want to watch people who are relatable, who are fun, maybe funny, who can teach them a new skill. And we have that. We don't need millions of subscribers. We just need clarity, consistency, useful content, and a system that will help you do it. That's it. The system I recommend is my book, From Zero to YouTuber. It's available on Amazon. I want to be very clear though, this video is not financial advice, and I am not saying that YouTube is easy. It does take work, but I am saying a YouTube channel can become an incredible asset. Every video you create is a digital asset you can use for other things later, especially if you think beyond views. The people winning today are building libraries of assets, not just channels. So if you're over 50 and you're thinking, I don't really have a retirement plan, maybe this is your sign to start building something. Start with one video, one idea, one system, one audience at a time, because you don't need permission to start and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.